Hello, my dear students. Welcome back to the lecture. So in this lecture, we'll try to find out the internal plastering for the horizontal wall. Okay. So what do I mean by that? That means external wall is already taken care of. Then this internal wall, which is next to the external wall, all these things are taken care of. Now you can see all these horizontal walls, something like this part, this wall. Okay. It's a horizontal wall for me. Agree? And here also it is a horizontal wall, right? Even this is also horizontal wall. Which one? Yeah. Even yeah, give me 1 minute. Horizontal wall, vertical wall. Okay. So fine. So this is for the brickwork, isn't it? Yeah. Even this is also horizontal wall. Even this is also horizontal wall. Okay, right? So here we'll not this part. Okay. Here we'll not differentiate like we did it in the brickwork, like 4.5 inch or 9 inch, because plastering we are going to do. So it doesn't matter what is the thickness of your wall. It can be a 9 inch or it can be 4.5 inch. You can do the plastering. Whereas in brickwork, we used to take like horizontal 4.5 inch, horizontal 9 inch. Here it's not required. Okay, getting my point. So all these are your horizontal plastering work. Okay, I'll show it in one go. So let me quickly do that. So just tell me where all it will come. One is this part. I agree. I'll go with a different color. So we'll go with the white color. Yeah. One is this part. Okay. Then this part. Okay. I mean this complete. Yeah. This part. This complete part plastering will come. Okay. Horizontal wall. No. Again this complete part plastering will come. Horizontal wall. Then again here plastering will come. Horizontal. Here also plastering will come. Horizontal. So this complete thing plastering will come. Horizontal. But whereas this is already taken care of, I think only this much is left in the ground floor. Now come to the first floor. This has already taken care in the outer wall. So only this part will be left out. Okay. And after that, yeah, this part is left out. Then this part will also come in horizontal. This part also will come in horizontal. Got it? Got it? Whereas all the out these things are taken care in the outer. So these are the walls where we need to find the plastering quantity. What I'll do, I require the length, and in that length, wherever plastering will not come, like which are intersecting wall, that I'll deduct. And in the deduction part, we'll take care of the door and the window. If there is coming or opening part, we'll do the deduction for that. Okay, fine, very clear. Now we'll go with this Excel sheets and we'll try to do them. Already I've done it, so I'll just show you how it has to be done now. Okay, yeah. So we'll start from this part. So where is that? Internal plastering horizontal wall. Okay, 1.52. See, what is this 1.52? This measurement I have taken. I'll delete all these things. Okay, yeah. So dimension DIM. Okay, I'll start from here to here. How much it is? 1.52. No, this here plastering you'll do no 1.52. So I written 1.52. This is inside plastering. I mean this side you're going to do the plastering. In the same way, here also will do the plastering up to here. This is also 1.52. So I written 1.52 plus 1.52. This door is a deduction part. We'll take care of deduction like here. Okay, not now. Now you may ask, sir, why didn't you take from here? No, I'll take my horizontal only from here to here. This will be my horizontal. And when I come for the vertical, I'll take care of the remaining portion. This much I'll consider in the vertical portion. Okay, that is why I took my reading from this part, not from this end. If you want, you can take even from this end. Then you have to be careful when you're doing the vertical. So in order to avoid the confusion, I'll do it in this way. Done. 1.52, 1.52 is done. Next, again, we have this part, which is that this complete part. Okay, so I'll do the measurement from here, this end to this end. So it is how much? 9.45. Okay, this part I'm telling. So I've written 9.45. So this part is 9.45. In the same way, here also you'll do the plastering. This also will be 9.45. Two times I've written. Okay, then again, this is also 9.45. This is also 9.45. You can see 9.45. So again, I've written 9.4. Okay, we need to do one thing. Yeah. So once this 9.45 is done, no, now come to the deduction part. What is the deduction? That means, see, here everything plastering you have taken completely 9.45. But out of this, who are obstructing? So in this part, no one is obstructing. In this part, no one is obstructing. But when I come for the inside plastering, this wall, this wall is hindering my plastering. That means whatever is the width of this wall, I'll deduct. In the same way, this guy is also hindering my plastering. So that means I need to deduct these two people. This is 0.23, okay, and this is 0.11. So you can see here minus 0.11 and minus 0.23 I've done. Okay. Whereas this side, here no one is hindering. No, you don't have any walls coming in this way. You don't have walls any coming in this way. So there is no deduction in this part. So that is why 9.45 plus 9.45 minus 0.23 minus 0.11. Okay, same thing. Now, understood? Now come to this part. Now next I'll take care of this one. This is 9.45 completely. So I've written 9.45 plus 9.45. Again, in this wall, when I'm doing the plastering for this wall, who all are hindering my plastering, means who all are stopping my plastering? This guy. See, this guy, this wall is hindering my plastering because already a wall has come. So this portion I need to deduct. So it is 0.23. Other than that, there is no one here. So that is the reason I have written 0.23 here. Okay, done. Now come to this side. Again, when I do the plastering on this side, again the same guy, this guy again will hinder my plastering. So again I have written minus 0.23. Two times I have done. Is there any other person? Is there any wall something like this? No. So no problem. If there was a wall something like this, then I should have taken even the wall width and should have deducted. But right now we don't have. We have only these two people. So I written minus 0.23 and minus 0.23. Got it? Fine. Now come to the next part. Next, this guy. Yeah. Next, this guy. This internal plastering. This is 2.59. From here to here, it is 2.59. From where? From here to here. So it is 2.59. I've written 2.59. So 2.59 on this part. And also this is also 2.59. I'll take up to here only. This side also I'll take 2.59. Okay. Got it now? See, 2.59. Okay. 2.59. Okay. Now again, same question, why I have taken up to here? For very same reason. I'll take my horizontal wall up to here. When I go for the vertical part, I'll take this completely in the vertical part. Okay. That is why I stopped up to 2.59. So two times I've written 2.59. So where it is 2.59 and 2.59. Okay. Got it. Is there any other horizontal wall in this portion? No. Next you come here. This guy. This guy is my, okay. I hope you're able to understand because there are a lot of dimensions which I've taken. Okay. Now again, I'll go up to this. So this is 3.96. This distance, this wall distance is 3.96. So 3.96 plus 3.96 means one time it will be here. This side plastering will be done. Another, this side plastering will be done. When I'm doing the plastering on this side, no one is stopping me. I don't have problem. But when I'm doing the inside plastering, when I come to inside portion, this guy is obstructing me, isn't it? This guy will stop my plastering, this wall. So I need to deduct the thickness of this wall. Other than that, no one is stopping. So this is 0.11. So that is why I deducted 0.11 here. See, minus 0.11. Got it? Fine. Now, after this horizontal, who else is left out? No one here. Now we'll come here. This complete length I need to take now. Here completely plastering will happen. Okay. So that is plus 9.45. Again, this is 9.45. I'll measure from here to here. Okay. See, I'll show it here. Okay. 9.45. So I written 9.45 plus 9.45. Why? Because one time on this part and one time on this side. So 9.45 plus 9.45. Now, in this part, who all are obstructing my plastering? So we'll check them out. We'll find who all are obstructing our plastering. Okay. This much part. Fine. Tell me quickly, when I'm doing the plastering on this side, who all are obstructing? One is this guy. This wall is coming. So it's 0.11. So minus 0.11 I've written. After that, here no one is stopping this side. Okay, you can go. Now come to inside plastering, this part. Here when I'm doing the plastering, who is stopping me? So I think only this guy is stopping me. Okay, this guy is stopping. That is minus 0.23. This guy is stopping. So I written minus 0.23 here. Okay. Then another minus 0.23 I've written. I think two times I've written. But I don't feel anyone is obstructing because when I do this plastering, here no one is obstructing. Here also no one is obstructing. Only when I come here, this portion, this guy is obstructing. This guy is obstructing. Okay. Okay. Then other than that, I don't feel anyone is obstructing. Here no one is obstructing. Right? Is it correct? Yeah, no one is obstructing. So I think it is minus 0.23 only one time. Okay. Minus 0.23 only one time. Because see, in this portion, only this guy is obstructing. Other than that, uh yeah. Yeah. One more thing. One more thing. See, one thing I made a mistake. That is not mistake. See, when I do the plastering, no, in this part, we'll see. I'm not sure. Okay, this guy is stopping the plastering, but here, of course, this you cannot do the deduction. Why? Because column you'll do along with the wall only. Even though there is offset in the wall, It will come in the column, your plastering will be taken care of. So you don't have to deduct this. So here also, I think I've deducted this part. So I written minus 0.23, which is not required. Okay. Understand the concept. This is along with a column. Your column and wall is together. When you're doing a wall plastering, that offset portion, whatever you get, column, that also is considered in the wall plastering only. Okay, fine. So that is why you don't have to deduct this. So no problem. So I've taken minus 0.11 on this side and this 0.23. So minus 1.11 and minus 0.23. Correct. Fine. Okay. After that. So after that, next is we have taken plus 0.32 plus 0.32. Okay, fine. Next, again, horizontal is this part. Come here. See, these are the small portions. Here also you'll do the plastering. This portion. This portion, you see, 0.32 I have written, no? This portion. You'll do the plastering, no? Here also you'll do the plastering, no? Here also you'll do the plastering, no? Here also you'll do the plastering. Horizontal. Now don't tell this one. This will, I'll take care in vertical. So horizontal 1, 2, 3, 4. You can even consider this in the horizontal also, because end of the day, we want plastering quantity, whether it's horizontal or vertical. So in order to, you can even take this vertical or you can add it in horizontal also, no problem. But we'll add this part in the vertical only. You can add in horizontal also. In horizontal, you don't take care of this. I mean, when in case of vertical, don't take care of this. But I'll take this, this is horizontal. So it's 0.32, one time, two times, three, four times. So 0.32 plus 0.32 plus 0.32 plus 0.32. Okay, got it? Fine. I think ground floor, everything I've taken care of. Now we'll go to the first floor. So in the first floor, where all you are going to do? So in the first floor, this will come external wall. This was in external. This was external. So this wall I want. Which one? This wall. So I'll take the measurement from here. So it is 3.96. So I written 3.96. Okay. So you can see I written 3.96. So this time here 3.96, and from this side also you'll do the plastering. No, this also 3.96. Both the side 3.96 plus 3.96 I've added. So no one is stopping this plastering. Okay, fine. After that, this guy 2.93. So again, you see this is 2.93 on this side and also 2.93 on this side. So 2.93 plus 2.93 I've done. Okay, two times. After that, after that this guy 4.19. See, this is 4.19 on this side and another 4.19 on the other side. When you take up the staircase, that wall plastering also you have to take care of, no? Okay, so that also we have taken care of. So it is 4.19 plus 4.19. And after that come to this part, this guy 4.34. So this is 4.34 this side, so I written 4.34. And also inside you take, see, inside you also take 4.34, but your plastering inside will be from here to here only. That's it. Okay. So you can directly take 4.23. You can write directly 4.23, or you write 4.34 plus 4.34 two times, and then you deduct this 0.11 from there. Okay. You're getting my point, no? What I've done, 4.34 I've written. That is for this one, outer one. And inside also I've written 4.34 only. In that I'll deduct this one because plastering is happening only up to here. Otherwise, directly, instead of doing that, you directly write 4.23 because 4.34 minus 0.11 will give me 4.23 only. So that is why I've written it in this. It's totally up to you. Okay. I think everything we have completed, nothing left. Okay, fine. So I'll go back to the Excel sheet now. So you can see, yeah, completely we have done, and I'll hit the enter button. Done, finish. So 103.600 is a total running meter of your horizontal plastering wall. Okay. Now what is the thickness? It's an inside plastering. We usually do a 12 plastering for that. So I've written 0.012 there. What is the height? Height we know. Since it's an inside plastering, I told you inside plastering, usually there won't be a wall over that. Okay. Usually. If it is there, you have to take care of that. But we'll assume that there is no beam coming, not wall. Your wall will go till the ceiling bottom. Okay. In the external plastering, your wall will go till the beam bottom. So we deducted the complete beam height. That is 3.2 minus 0.45. Since it's an inside plastering, so what we do usually, what happens is your wall will go till the ceiling bottom. There won't be any beam over that. Usually in the 4.5 inch, it won't be there, but we have 9-inch wall also. There is every chance there will be a beam, but I'm considering that no beams are coming. So 3.2 minus 0.15 I'm doing. Otherwise, what you need to do, you need to every time check your drawing. Okay, then it will be a very tedious task for you. Like, see this thing plan here, go to your structural drawing, check whether you have any beam coming in this portion. If there is a beam coming, then it will be 3.2 minus 0.45. So it becomes a very tedious task, and since you have taken everything in a running meter, it's okay. Anyhow, whatever estimation I'm doing right in front of you, we are little overestimating. Overestimating means this quantity is not the actual quantity, because few places beams will come. So in that case, plastering quantity will come down, right? But still it's okay. We'll try to beat, we'll try to be on the higher side. So I'm taking 3.2 minus 0.15. Okay, fine. Along with this, okay, the other part I'll tell you later. Fine, this is understood. Hit the enter button. Now, area without deduction will be total running meter into the height will give me the area of plastering. So the area of plastering will be 315.98. This is without the deduction. Now come to the deduction part. So what all deductions will come? We know that already. I'll go back to this part. Yeah. So what all deductions will come? We'll start from here. Okay. So here the door deduction will come. D1. Okay. Then again, okay, just note it down. I already written it. Anyhow, I'll show it here. Yeah. Hmm. Fine. So first is D1. This is D1. So I've written D1 here. Okay. Then after that, D is coming. So D deduction I've written. After that, O1 is coming. So O1, that is opening. This O1 will come. And then this O is coming. Opening. This O is coming. Fine. Only this one deduction will come. But you need to count how many D1s are there. So D1, 1 is there here. So here there is no D1. Here no D1. Then no D1 in this part. Come to the first floor. This is again D deduction. So again, no D1, only one D1. So I've written 1 here. Okay, fine. Now come to the D window, D door. How many D doors are there? So one D door is here. Second D door is here. And then, yeah, two are done. This will come in vertical. Two are done. So then again, nothing here. And one will come here. So three are done. Okay, three. And that's it. So only three are there. So I've written three here. Okay. Now come to O1, opening O1. How many opening O1 are there? Here nothing is there. Here one is there. One O1. This is second O1. This is third O1. And then that's it. No other O1. So three are there. I've written three. Next, how many O are there? O is only O. We don't have anything here. Only one O here. This is opening one part. Then this comes in vertical. We are concentrating on horizontal. So there is no other O1. Sorry, there is no other O. Fine. I've written only one. Okay. Fine. Now, the sizes you already know how to input. D1 is 0.75 into 2.1. Take it from the drawing. It is there in the drawing. Okay. Come and check the size here. All the size is given. Same sizes I've written 0.75 into 2.1, 0.9 into 2.1, and all those things. Okay. Fine. After that, so next you have to find the area. You know, 0.75 into 2.1. I have written 0.75 into 2.1, 0.9 into 2.1, 1.2 into 2.1, 0.9 into 2.1. So area I have written it here. Okay, single area you have to find. This number will do it. First you find the area of single opening. So 0.75 into 2.1 will give me 1.575. 0.9 into 2.1 will give me 1.890. 1.2 into 2.1 will give me 2.520. 0.9 into 2.1 will give me 1.890. So now comes the very interesting part. That is, right now, whatever plastering we calculated, it's an internal plastering. Now you go to your code book. So the code book says that, yeah, before that, what is the area of plastering? 1.575. It is greater than 0.5. So you have to do the deduction. How much deduction? Half deduction according to our understanding. 1.8 is greater than 0.5. So half deduction. 2.5 is greater than 1.5, less than 3. So half deduction. 1.89 is greater than 0.9, 0.5 and less than 3. So half deduction we are supposed to do. But understand, this is the deduction part. Come to this part. Now, what is our case? When both the faces of walls are plastered with the same plaster, that means it's an internal plastering. That means it's an internal plastering. So both the side, that is, for example, if I take this side, if I take this part, if I take this part, so this side I'm doing plastering, this side also I'm doing plastering. Both are internal wall. And in internal wall, the thickness of plastering is same. 12 mm on this side and 12 mm on this side. 12 mm on this side. What does the code says that when both the faces of walls are plastered with the same plaster, deduction shall be made for one face only. That means he is telling only one deduction you're supposed to do. What do you mean by that? That means, for example, if I take this particular wall, I'll take only one wall. Okay. This wall, let us consider. This much I took. Okay, this much length I took. So this length I know, this length I'll show you. I'll take only this length. Okay, just understand. Okay, fine. Tell me this length. From here to here, I'll took this length. So it is 5.39. Same thing, 5.39 is also here also, this side. It is correct. Now the question is, you have a door coming. You have a door coming. So this door you have coming, you have this opening even from this wall also. You have an opening on this wall also. So is it the two times you are going to take? No. So the code says that you have to take it only once. Either you consider this door opening in this wall and don't consider any opening in this part. Okay, or you consider the door opening in this wall plastering area, and here you don't consider any opening. So that is why what we do in this case, what we do, we go to the Excel sheet. Don't do this multiply by 0.5. This part is not required. Previously we used to do whatever area we were getting, half we used to do, right? Because only 50% deduction. But here the code says that no, you should not take, you should take the deduction on only one phase. Only one phase will do. So what we did, what I'll take out this complete thing. This is not required for us. Okay, this entire thing is not required. You just put a dash there in this Excel sheet, put a dash and just hit the enter button, and then you drop it in this way. Okay, fine. Now this value, what you'll do, I'll tell you how it has to be done. Plus, open the plus, what you do, 1.575 is the total area of detection of one window, multiply by number of windows we do, number of door, only one. When I write one, it means only one side I'm considering, only one door we I consider. That's it. You just drag thing, you'll get the answer. Got it? Very clear. So you may have doubt. Then here what used to happen, here we took 50% deduction in the external wall, because when I was doing the external wall plastering, it was a 20 mm, and this was my internal wall, but here it was 12 mm. But external was a different wall, inside was a different wall. So 50% deduction. Whenever you have a wall where the plastering is same, in that case you have to take full deduction. So full deduction, that is why full deduction is 100%. So what we did, 0.75 into 2.1 is 1.5, 1.575. This only I need to consider. So 1.575 multiply by 1 I took. Okay, one door. In the same way here also, 5.670 into 3 doors are there. Okay, getting my point. That's how it is. So to put it in even in a better way, actually what will happen, when you take the plastering area, door is coming in this part also, this part also. So two times I'm not taking door. I'll take only one deduction. I'll take only one door is there. So that is why by default 1331 is there, and you take this answer, it's correct. Got it? So the total plastering area, internal plastering horizontal area will be how much? After deduction, it is 16.695 is your deduction. Now coming to the total area after deduction, where is that? Yeah. Yeah. Total area of deduction is the area without deduction minus total deduction for the windows and doors. It should be okay. So yeah, it will come out to be how much? 299.285, and volume will be very simple. 299.285 multiplied by the thickness of your plastering, which is 12 mm. You'll get the total volume or a mortar volume which you're supposed to use in a horizontal wall, which is 3.5 cubic meter. This you have to write total deduction. Okay, that's it. It's enough. Not for windows, because even the door is also coming. No, that's why total deduction you write. It's the right way of doing. Okay, here also instead of writing window deduction, you write total deduction. It's okay, no problem. Okay, yeah. So I hope you have enjoyed my lecture up to here. You got an idea how it has to be taken care of, the internal plastering. Only the catch in this lecture is about the deduction part. Rest all things are very simple. Deduction, always remember, you have to take 100% deduction. Horizontal I did. In the next lecture, I'll teach you the vertical part, and that will sum up all our plastering quantity. So we'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.